Assessment of visually impaired children. Vision is an important sense. It is a gateway of all knowledge. The absence of sight required all individual to develop and sharpen other senses like hearing, touch, smell, and taste and movement so that they may compensate the loss of sight. The important areas required for sensory training could be essential to compensate the experiences, which is based on the visual ideas. The sequence of learning to understand the give meaning to sounds seems to follow a pattern. Awareness and attention to sounds, response to specific sounds, sound discrimination and recognition, recognition of words, auditory processing, and listening for learning. The last stage is the ultimate level and is a skill essential for academic and continued cognitive development of visually impaired. Assessment. Assessment is a process data to make decision about students or child. Assessment of visual impairment in terms of visual acuity, field of vision, and visual efficiency. Visual ability is the ability of the eye to see distant object clearly. Snellen chart to identify visually impaired child. Few indications are rubs eyes excessively, watery eyes, eyelids are often red, squint, poor eye-hand coordination. Developmental assessment uses chronological age as a basis of comparison. It is not possible to evaluate visually impaired and sighted children on a set of common measures. Personal skills a visually handicapped individual needs to cope with the environment in general, such as grooming, mobility, recreation, environmental awareness, etc. The functional vision and light perception in the children may result in the child a different types of behavior. Teachers or parents should be aware of this fact and guide them properly. The visually impaired children with additional disabilities may need special support based on their particular disability condition. For visual impairment assessment, sense of touch. Since exploration of an object is worth 1,000 words used for explanation, this area becomes very vital. Sense of smell. A good nose voluntarily offers the information of the objects which could be smelt. Smell is a sensible clue for a traveler. Sense of taste. This skill helps the visually impaired person to associate the names of substances with the taste. For example, sweet, sour, hot, etc. Kinesthetic sense. The feeling of the body is responding to the external stimulation which is otherwise. The kinesthetic sense enables the child to get certain information like cold, heat, breeze, etc. Providing non-visual experiences to visual ideas is to enable a child to gain knowledge of concepts through his remaining senses. Historical development of education of visual impaired children. A French man named Louis Braille 1809 18 to 1552 and developed a system of touch reading in 1829, Charles Babbage. This system was named as Braille because he invented it. The first school started in India by Miss Annie Sharp at Amritsar in 1887. Because of different languages in our country, 1941, by the then central government referred this matter to UNESCO. They conducted several meetings of experts. After this, a uniform Braille code called Bharati Braille, based on principle of phonetic, was adopted. According to this principle, letters producing same sounds in different languages will be written by a single combination. For example, dot 1 2 will be B in English, U in Hindi. Similarly, the letter giving bracket sound of Tamil, Bangla, Kannada, Marathi, etc. Braille is a tactile script. Reading used on 6 dots arranged in 2 vertical lines of 3 dots, each in one cell. Mr. Advani started NIVH in the year of 1979-82. We have 6 national institutes for visual impaired children. First school 1784 started by Valentine Havey in Paris in 1791. Started Liverpool in England. India 1897 started in Kolkata in Behari Shah. Now in India we had 400 schools for visually impaired children. NIVH is located in India, how Dehradun. It is running with the help of foreign missionaries and charitable organizations named Ramakrishna Mission. First started in Kolkata for VI children. They have branches in all over India.